unboxing video. There are a few things that I wanted to do. I wanted to unbox. So here are the two bags that I wanted to unbox in front of you guys, which is why I thought that let's just do a YouTube video and talk about all of the things that I got from here. क्या कर रहे हो?
क्या कर रहे हो मतलब?
वीडियो शूट कर रहे हो यार.
What video?
हम लोग ये unbox just said I'm doing an unboxing video.
नहीं हम लोग Q&A कर रहे हैं.
कब?
अब?
I don't have questions to answer.
मेरे पास है.
You're gonna.
हाँ.
So what is happening?
No, we are doing a Q&A. Unboxing बाजू में हटाओ उसको. क्या है ये?
Listen, these are things that I bought. What is wrong with you?
हटाओ इसको. We are doing a Q&A.
What is happening?
Shift.
What the hell? You should have told me, na.
इसमें तो मजा है.
हाँ, please.
Small perks of life.
You got coffee also.
Yeah.
How many questions do you have?
Probably around 10. And what the heck, minute? What is this?
What?
You have copied me.
I haven't copied you, okay? You have been seeing my styling videos
देख लो.
हाँ, you've been seeing my styling videos and you've been getting inspiration. So
हाँ तो मैं लिपस्टिक भी लगा के आ जाता.
लगा लो, I don't have a problem.
So are you ready?
Yeah. What sort of questions are these?
These are mixed questions, like the nation wants to know. Yeah.
Oh god. Okay, so topic change. This is not an unboxing video. It's a Q&A from Alan.
इनको हटाओ बीच से.
हटा हुआ है यार. इतनी बेइज्जती मत करो.
जब देखे तब unboxing. So, name 3 songs, favorite songs that you were listening during your lockdown.
During lockdown.
हाँ तो मतलब रहेगा ना कुछ 3 favorite.
ऐसा कुछ specific नहीं था, but then the day this movie Dil Bechara came out na, so I
उधर nation wants to know.
Oh sorry. There was nothing specific as such, but the day Dil Bechara came out, I loved the song. This one, खुल के जीने का तरीका तुम्हें सिखाते हैं. That one. I think whenever I listen to it, it refreshes my mind. That is one, and then उसी का एक गाना है. I'm not able to recall it right now.
ठीक है.
अरे वो ऐसे सुनाती है कान में. You have seen the movie?
नहीं.
अरे यार तेरे wait. That song. Before I say that, there's another song that I really like. Is from the movie. I don't know the movie. It's called कभी कभी अदिति जिंदगी में कोई अपना लगता है. So I really like that song. Whenever I'm low or something, I listen to that song and that cheers me up. मैं तुम्हारा.
Okay.
That's the song. मैं तुम्हारा रहा. That one.
Very nice.
So these 3 songs.
Okay. Second question. This is the question of the decade. ठीक है. 2019 में था ये.
2019 में था. हाँ क्या?
क्या आपको आम खाना पसंद है?
हाँ?
हाँ.
What is 2019 का क्या?
मोदी जी का क्वेश्चन नहीं है, मतलब मोदी जी को पूछा गया था. पता है?
क्या? I hate mangoes.
मोदी जी देख लो, सुन लो.
What is this मोदी जी?
कैसे लोग हैं? मोदी जी को आम खाना पसंद है और तुम्हें नहीं.
I don't like mangoes because I don't like anything sweet. Mangoes are sweet, so I don't like mangoes.
But Modi ji likes mangoes.
अरे मोदी जी likes it, so what do I do about it?
Shit man. Anyway, moving on. This question is from Vinod.
Vinod.
अरे some follower.
Where are you getting all of these questions from?
I found this online in your comment section.
Who the hell is Vinod? Vinod or Vinod?
No. Vinod.
Vinod with a V.
Vinod is outdated. Now it's Vinod. So the question is, why is Alan SD not seen in your videos and stories?
You are in lockdown में where will I show you?
देखो किसी ने पूछा है तो मतलब सच रहेगा.
Lockdown में where will I show you? You were not there half the time, and whenever you are there, here and there I show you. कल का story में you were there, परसों का story में you were there. अभी 4 महीने lockdown में where will I show you?
Take can't really argue with that. अच्छा एक मिनट.
1 second for all of those who do not know this, Alan and me work together. He's the one who clicks all of my pictures, and he's the one who records all of my videos. So I didn't give her an intro. You just walked in like that. So yeah, say hi, Alan.
Hi.
I can't.
Intro to do.
I said na. Okay. So guys, if you don't know, the person who's been asking random questions to me since a while is actually my photographer. We've been working together since quite some time now, and he's the one who clicks all of these amazing pictures, and he's the one who's always behind camera. So yeah, that's Alan for you guys.
Okay, I got a message. किसी ने question किया है. 80. Will you stop harassing my wife?
Huh?
Will you stop harassing my wife?
80. Will you stop harassing my wife?
80 की तरफ से question है.
80 की तरफ से question, will you stop harassing my wife?
हाँ. कौन है 80?
80 मेरा पति है, मैं तुझसे. What is wrong with you?
Oh shit.
And why? How are you?
Okay, moving on.
Why would he say that you're harassing me?
मेरे को क्या पता? तुम्हारा पति तुमको पता होगा.
So, yeah, you're making all of these questions up.
No, it's written right here. मैं बताएगा नहीं कोई.
And he doesn't have an account which says 80.
अरे नहीं, मेरे को मैसेज आया.
I don't believe this. What are we doing?
Okay, moving on. So, serious question.
I don't. Looking at your face, it does look serious.
No, it's a serious question. Have you ever slept on an empty stomach?
Yeah, a lot of times.
When?
Yeah.
बताओ. Nation wants to know. दर्शकों को बताओ. When?
This has happened to me in college because college में हम सब pocket money पे जीते थे. तो and you know it happens that sometimes somebody is in need of money. So you'll have to like give money to them and lend money and this and that. So there was a time where I was out of money because a friend of mine really needed it. So I gave whatever I had, and then I was not left with anything. And my didi was on leave because कुछ तो जो खाना बनाते थे वो कहीं गए थे. So there was actually nothing to eat, and I did not have money to buy food. So there have been times that this is one story. Then again there was a time when I started working. Something had happened, so I had to pay somewhere. I don't really remember what exactly was it for, but I think my didi, my house help needed some advance, so I gave it to her because she really needed it, and I was only left with $500 जिसकी मैंने घर के लिए सब्जी लाई थी. So we were staying together, जिसके लिए मैंने घर के लिए सब्जी ला दी थी. So उतना ही खाना बना है उसके बाद there was nothing to eat. So yeah, there have been times that I've like slept on an empty stomach because I did not have money. Otherwise also when I'm not feeling well I do sleep on empty stomach, but then that's okay because that's my personal.
No, the reason I asked this question was because what people see on social media is a different picture, right? Like it's all glamour.
No, it's not like that. So what people see on social media, they see it, but they tend to believe कि यही है. You know, there's no other side to it. So that's what people think. They think this is the start and end of everything, of her life, or how she is, what she does. But obviously there's a lot of stories behind a person. So yeah.
So बहुत दुख भरी story. लो देख लो, stop harassing my wife. देख लो. Okay, this question you may choose not to answer.
Okay. Okay. I have that privilege.
So, how many relationships have you had in past before getting married?
Relationship, so like I have a relationship with my. Like you can't specify a relationship. No? I have relationships with my friends also. Friendship. I have a relationship with my house help also. That's also a relationship. I have a relationship with my dogs also. I used to have a dog before. That's also a relationship. How many do I count?
Okay, moving on.
Somehow I feel you've made up these questions.
No.
And nobody has asked you.
These are genuine questions.
Genuine नहीं है ये.
Genuine questions.
नहीं है ये.
From the comment section.
I really think that these are questions that you.
No. These are genuine questions that are in your comment sections and in your DMs.
Okay.
So moving on, next question. ये बताना पड़ेगा. इसमें ऐसा ऑप्शन नहीं है.
Hmm.
Have you ever dated any of your friends exes like मतलब ex boyfriends ऐसे किसी को?
No, bro code. What is wrong with you?
No, people usually sometimes do that.
No, this bro code. There is
I know, I agree, but
there is bro code. Start and end of it. No questions asked.
no,
Bro code.
there are people doing that, so I was
No.
I wanted to know.
Not my thing.
No, sorry, Nation wants
Not
to.
my thing. Bro code.
It's creepy, right?
Yeah, on another level.
Next question. What do you think about online trolling?
What do I think about it? Like what? Do I have to think about it?
बता दो.
No, I have no
On
I
like
have no thoughts about it.
how do people question you or during in your DMs or in your comment sections?
So trolling is like a part of this. So what I feel is that, and especially trolling comes from accounts which are fake. So I don't take trolling seriously. Earlier it used to affect me a lot, but now I don't take it seriously because what's the point of taking a faceless account seriously when they don't have they don't do it from their own original accounts. They make a fake account to troll somebody. Why should I take that fake account seriously? So yeah, now I'm like अभी एक कान से सुन के दूसरे कान से I throw it out.
Good. All the trollers original account से किया कर.
हाँ मतलब अभी if you do it from your original account, I will know ना कि कोई तो genuine बंदा है जिसको कुछ मतलब problem है जिंदगी में मुझसे मेरे content से या something related to me or my work. But some random account will be like, oh you look like a frog, whatever. Like I'm just saying. If someone just randomly comes and says whatever, this is a random thought. Like what if some random thought comes and you look like a frog? How will I take it seriously when you are not taking your identity seriously?
True.
मतलब
True. बात तो सही.
हाँ ना.
Okay, next. How was your lockdown? Over?
I had fun during my lockdown. मतलब it was slow, but it was fun because I don't think there will be let's not challenge this, but in the history I don't think there was a time when I was forcefully required to stay at home and chill and watch Netflix. मतलब कोई काम नहीं, everybody is home, everybody is chilling, and that I don't think this phase has ever come in anybody's life. So this was a nice phase of spending good time with everybody around in the house, talking. Earlier where कभी time ही नहीं मिलता तो सुबह उठो ऑफिस जाओ काम करो वापस आओ खाना खाओ time pass whatever 2 hours 1 hour and then sleep. But now forcefully we were like 24 hours है एक दिन में तो भी बिताना है साथ में. You have to sit, you have to talk, to entertain yourself you have to do something. So I had this lockdown 3 months I had a very good time.
What about you?
Yeah, you guys also should tell me if the lockdown was good for you or no.
Comment section में बताओ.
Work-wise, I know it took a backseat. I'm not talking about work-wise. If I say on the work front, obviously this was not a very good time, and for a lot of people out there, this phase for work was really, really bad and pathetic. I understand that. I have also, we as a family also went through the same. But emotionally and on a personal level, I think these 3 months were really blissful.
Okay. Second last question.
खत्म?
हाँ.
I was having fun, yeah.
Next time. Part 2 भी करेंगे. Which is your favorite coffee place other than Starbucks?
I don't have a favorite coffee place other than Starbucks.
Oh.
Okay.
जो जिस दिन.
I didn't know I have. It's PBC.
हाँ exactly.
How do I forget PBC?
वो लोग बुरा मान लेंगे. वो लोग सब देख रहे हैं.
नहीं.
The nation is watching.
No. So the thing is that PBC my first love was PBC. I used to love the coffee there. I still love the coffee there. But now I have become fond of cold coffee. I like cold brew. है ना? तो PBC की cold coffee is not that great. Their hot coffee is nice.
They might feel bad. They are watching.
I'm saying that their hot coffee is nice. I don't like hot coffee at Starbucks.
They are also watching. By the way.
So now I'm more fond of Starbucks because I like cold. Maybe maybe in winters I'll go to PBC and enjoy the hot cup.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Last question. ये वो लोग खुश हो जाएंगे.
कौन लोग?
Question सुनो तो सही पहले. Do you play video games? And if yes, do you play PUBG or if any other genre?
I play video games. Video games मतलब PS4. I play that.
बड़े
But no क्या? PUBG I have never tried PUBG.
Why? उनके लिए ही क्वेश्चन था PUBG वालों के लिए. खुश हो जाती वो. मतलब खुश हो जाते वो लोग.
I have never played PUBG, but I am into gaming since quite some time. मतलब my favorite games were Max Payne, Project IGI, then what was that game? GTA, then NFS, then अभी PS4 पे I love playing this thing Mortal Kombat, and I love playing NFS also.
I want to add to that. तुम्हारे Mortal Kombat के बहुत स्टोरी सुने हैं. जरा दर्शकों को बताइए. किन लोगों को तुमने धूल चटाया है? बताइए.
कोई नहीं है. You played with me once.
No. मेरे अलावा 2 लोग और हैं.
और कौन लोग? अमित हारा है बहुत बार.
कितनी बार बता दो. और कितनी बार जीता है वो भी बता दो.
Now during lockdown he used to play a lot alone, so he's learned a lot of tricks and all. So now he also wins, but earlier, like before the lockdown, I don't think he's ever won one single game. You also lost a lot of time.
We just played one game.
We played
one match.
We
No.
played two matches.
We just played one
two
match.
matches.
No, one match.
2 matches we played.
No, that was 2 rounds.
हाँ.
मैच एक ही था. There were 2 rounds.
अच्छा.
जिसमें एक में ड्रॉ किया था मैंने, इसके लिए अपन 2 हुआ था अपना.
Both of them. I've never played with anybody else.
Your brother?
I haven't played Mortal Kombat. I've played like other things really. Hitman खेलते थे हम लोग. Days man.
Okay. This is a good choice of game.
Thanks.
अच्छा, the questions are over, but I have a bonus question. क्या?
कुछ नहीं.
क्या आप परियों के जैसे?
अरे यार, what is this? No.
Hey, Nation wants to know.
Nation doesn't want to do anything. These questions are made up by Alan Silver Dragon.
No.
Yes.
These are not made by me.
I am 100% sure all of these questions.
These are made by Arnab Goswami.
No, Arnab Goswami doesn't know who I am. Just by the way. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video of random sessions. And if you guys want another session of random questions by Alan Silver Dragon, then please comment below and let us know. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like,
share and subscribe
to my channel. And I'm gonna see you guys really soon. And bye.